Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the hood, secure it with the prop rod, and locate the rectangular airbox on the passenger side of the engine bay. Confirm you have a new paper air filter sized for a 2020 Honda CR-V and basic tools, flathead screwdriver, shop vacuum, and gloves. Release the 4 retaining clips or use an 8 mm socket to remove screws that secure the airbox lid. Inspect the surrounding area for loose debris and check the hood latch for safety. Replace the engine air filter every 12,000 miles or 12 months, and plan the swap in a dry, well-lit area. Gently lift the airbox lid and remove the old filter by grasping the edges and pulling straight up to avoid dropping debris into the intake. Hold the filter to a light source. If you see daylight through the pleats, it is very dirty, and if you see oil stains or tears, you must replace it. Vacuum the airbox interior and wipe with a clean cloth until free of loose debris and dust. If the old filter has large holes or oil stains, replace it immediately. Do not reinstall a compromised filter. Keep the work area clean to prevent contamination during reassembly. Place the new filter into the lower airbox with the pleats facing the direction of incoming air and ensure the rubber seal seats evenly against the airbox lip. Reseat the airbox lid, align the tabs, and secure the 4 clips or reinstall screws with firm hand pressure. Snug is sufficient. Do not over-tighten metal screws to avoid stripping. Reattach any intake resonator or hoses you removed and lower the hood. Start the engine and listen for air leaks around the airbox. Take a short test drive and recheck clips after 5 miles to confirm a secure installation and proper engine response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.